What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Friday, May 3rd, 2024. Heading to my next service call in the incorporated village of Hewlett Harbor. Hewlett Harbor is one of five towns of the Five Towns area in the southwestern corner of Nassau County on Long Island in the great state of New York. We have an existing client, residential client, that has multiple central air conditioning systems, and there's one or two that are acting up, and he's about to go on vacation, and he wants to know if he needs to rob a bank in order to pay for the repair. Let's go see what's going on. Hi.
My buddy, how are you doing?
Thank God, living the dream. You?
What is it going to be next week?
Temperature-wise?
No. One thing after another.
One thing after another. Well, this is the cost you pay when you live in the beautiful Five Towns.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so this is the same thing as last year. Turns it on, and it's blowing
warm air.
Right?
Okay.
Or whatever.
Which one? Is the one with the burnt up disconnect, or is it a different one?
I think it's the older one. It's the one.
Well, that's the older one.
Okay, then it's this one. So last
I mean,
year,
that one over there is the older one.
Well, that's working. That's that one room.
That's because they don't make things like they used to.
So, what happened last year, if you remember, there was no Freon, right? So you put Freon in, and it was leaking. You put the stuff in that plugged, that plugged the leak.
Yep.
And then filled it with Freon, and it worked the entire season.
Thank God.
I guess over the winter, whatever, it dried, it cracked. I don't know how that works, but
it doesn't usually happen that way. But okay.
I'm trying.
So now the one
to be positive.
I hear you. Okay, you can be positive. So it's this one.
Well, we'll test it.
You turn the thermostat on, you lower it, and we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Have you done any kind of recon work at all?
No.
So you don't know if it comes on or not?
Oh, no. I did. I looked out the window.
And you see it spinning.
But now I was thinking they were both on because I have both of them on.
Okay, so let's turn on just this one, the one that's not cooling, and we'll see which one of the three, which is going to be this one, is bad. Okay, XR12, so that's a 12 SEER. That 48 right there makes it a 4-ton. Manufacture date of January 2005. And it's an R22 system. So if you're gonna heat some gas, you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna spit it, you're gonna go like that, and it's gonna slide right in. $2.50 a pound for R22. All right, so the system is running. It's a good thing. I heard the compressor fire up. I heard the condenser, obviously the condenser fan motor is running, you hear that. So the only thing we have to do now is, I guess, make sure airflow is good, and then check refrigerant levels. All right, I have the compartment cover, the cover that hides the line set off. Took the two caps off there, right there on top of that thing right there, you see them? I got a separate Testo 557 for R22. Let's see what this thing's doing. All right, open up my high and low service valves. Hook it up to our oh shit, yeah. We're negative pressure. Let's kill power. All right. Nothing. All gone. And they go up and across. All right. You had sent me a text about knowing to rob a bank or not.
Oh.
Yeah, there's no refrigerant in the system. It's all gone.
So what?
That means there's a leak or leaks in the system,
Right.
to the point where it's all gone.
And so last year,
we added some pounds
yep.
and bought you some time.
But you put the sealant in. Because
and-
I remember you'd put just the Freon in first, and that didn't work, and then you put the sealant in.
On the same trip? No.
Yeah, no?
No. We do it together. Because the sealant we add in hopes of it sealing up a leak, there's no guarantee it's going to work, but
But it did.
with the hopes of slowing it down. Well, it worked maybe, or maybe it, you know what, over the winter, you know, the rest of it is gone.
All right. Yeah, I mean,
Did some quick calculations. We got a 100 and about 10 feet of line set across an inaccessible attic, an accessible attic at a different elevation, and the other attic that is accessible by a 16-foot ladder through a hatch in the master bedroom closet. And on top of that, I can't use a Bosch because I'd have to disassemble the air handler to get into the attic and then reassemble it. So that basically leaves me with a carrier that I could split the air handler in half with a set of screws and then reassemble it in two halves in the attic. So, needless to say, you know the job is in the high teens without factoring in the line set. Plus, he's going on vacation, and listen, he's been a great customer for many years. You know, we're freely opening, discussing the finances of this, and I was like, listen, you know, the financing, he brought it up. I was like, I could do 18 months, 0 interest. He goes, I need more than that. I'm like, okay. So you tell me the duration of time you need, and Synchrony will do the rest. I'm setting a proposal for a carrier, 17-seater, 2-stage condenser and air handler with a separate line item for the line set, which we're going to have to replace. It's a given. Permits, all that other nonsense. We're in the harbor. Well, at least it's Friday and I'm on my way home. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.